live once again. This is the day 4 of me going live every day on YouTube, analyzing the charts so I can help out my community. So if you are just joining us, do well to subscribe and stay active, because I'll be coming live every day to analyze the chart. So make sure that you are part of this challenge. So I'm gonna be showing you that it's possible for you to actually make money from the financial market by just following these simple steps. So the first thing first, um, this chart you are seeing here is a chart from USD JPY. So you can see here USD JPY. So I've been on this particular trade since let me see what I want to get involved in this trade. That was on Wednesday. So on Wednesday I got an entry from around here. Then I hold the trade all the way up to this zone. So when I saw price trying to do a reversal, I came out of this trade from around here, guys. So I exited the trade from around this zone, and price actually did a retracement back to the entry. So the reason why price did a retracement back to the entry, you can see that from here, when price was going up, was buying, price didn't give those opportunity, those people that weren't able to enter into the buy movement at that moment. So price didn't give them opportunity to retrace back to the other block before continue going up. And if you look closely, you will see that price created series of liquidity here. So when price did a pullback all the way down to this zone, those people that weren't able, that enter into the trade from around here and set their stop loss here, so price was going up, so price came back and liquidated them. So price took out their stop loss and then tapped into the entry once more, and then you can see that price is now going towards that direction. So I'm still active on this trade, guys. Let me show you. I'm active on this particular trade. So you can see that I'm still active on this trade, guys. As you can see, guys, I'm active on this trade. This trade is live. So any setup I'm showing you guys here is something that I'm also taking. So I'm not just doing guesswork or trading randomly. So for those of you that are just joining, so I come on live every single day to analyze the chart, so that those who are in my community can also make money from the market. So like I said yesterday, we analyzed this chart live yesterday. So now price did a pullback to our entry, and we are already printing back to target this high. So let me also show you guys what's happening on USD card. So yesterday, if you are on the live yesterday, you will know that we analyzed the USD card. So USD CAD was one of the pairs that we analyzed yesterday live on the chart. So let it load up. So guys, so this is the outcome of USD JPY. We smashed take profit like lightning, guys. Price smash take profit. I also took this trade live, guys. So I'm going to be doing a full video on why I took this trade. So yesterday we were anticipating for price to take out these lows. Price failed to take out this low. Price failed to take out this low. If assuming price has taken out this low, this low, I would have been looking for sell, because if we look at the higher time frame, we are currently bullish, but on the external structure, we are bearish. So the internal structure is currently bullish. Let me check something. Hold on, guys. Let me quickly check something. So you can see that from the external structure on USD card, we are bearish, but this year we are still bullish. So I'm waiting patiently for the internal structure to align with that of the external structure. So that's what I'm waiting for currently, which I haven't seen yet. So that's why I keep on buying, looking for buy opportunity on USD card until I get that sniper move. So until I get that sniper movement, I'm just gonna keep on buying. So my bias remains so my bias remains. This is USD card, guys. If you are just joining, this is USD card. So my bias remains bullish on the internal structure. So I said that I was expecting price to take out this low yesterday. If you joined the live yesterday, I analyzed this chart very well yesterday. So this is my external structure. From this swing high to the swing low is my external structure. So my external structure is the main structure, is what I'm following. So I when why everything that is happening between this range and this range is my internal structure, guys. Everything that's happening here is my internal structure. So what I want is that I want the internal structure, which is currently bullish, so I want it to align with the external structure, which is bearish. So when I want to be looking for sell, because I want to sell all the way down to this zone. So I want this internal structure to do a market structure shift. So when price does that, I'll be selling. And currently you can see that price has refused to take out the lows, so that it will give me my internal structure. So until price does that, I'll keep on buying this market, and eventually if price takes out this high here, I'm going to be changing my bias to bullish. So once price takes out this low, I won't be looking for sales anymore. I'll be looking for buy setup. So that's basically how it works. So let me show you what's happening on USD DPY. Okay, I've already shown you guys this one. Okay, so let me now show you guys why I got involved in this trade. So you can see that in this place currently, price was trending up, higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher low. So when price got to the zone, I was expecting price to, if assuming price broke this low with a full body candle, that could have been a market structure shift. But you can see clearly that what price did when price got to this zone, when price sold down to this zone, price only wicked this previous low. There was a wick, it swept it immediately. Price did that. You can see that it reversed immediately. Assuming when price got to this zone, it closed with a full body candle. that could have been a market structure shift, or you can call it a break of structure. Anything you want to call it is correct. So you can see that when price swept this low and did a massive reversal with this full body candle, so that was a strong confirmation that price only came to sweep at the liquidity from this zone. So what I did was that immediately price did that, I waited for a pullback to some level, at least 50% of this entire movement. So I got my entry from around here. I set my stop loss from this sweep of liquidity here, because this now looks strong, because this was the low that swept this other low. So this is a very strong zone. So I set my stop loss right below there. Then I targeted that same high there. So there's a reason why I targeted that high there on the higher time frame. Then you can see our price move all the way and smash my take profit. So this is basically how it is done, guys. So I'm going to be analyzing more charts. So if you are not yet in my Telegram community, you can use the link in the description to get access to the Telegram community, because that's where I post all my sniper entries. So um see you guys next week, because um this is the end of the trading day of the week. So see you guys on Monday. I might come on live tomorrow or on Sunday to do a top down analysis, and to show you guys my new bias for the next week. So if you have not subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe, guys, to get access to my live, and stay tuned, guys. See you guys on the other side. Bye.